Yeah, Black, Renzo. Yeah, man, like, share, and subscribe. You already know what time it is. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, I say, man. Like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, me never even get for even really come and make a review upon the whole clasher. Me listen to the song them. You know what I say? Me love Tommy Lee Destroyer, and I love the last one where he put out near what Dirt Day. See? Yeah, man, the one that bad. Masicka Revelation now. I really come for talk about. Why, if you try to dethrone the king, why you do over the king's song? You know what I say? Like, why you do over the king's song? It puzzles me. Like, but then you have this in Minions them. You understand what I say? Like, what you try to do? You have, because I feel like, say, yo, when you stay and do that now, it's like show flattery. Like, it's like the man afraid. To me feel like him still just afraid of cartel, brother. You see me I just say, yo, just call the man name and done. You understand me? Because you want to be king. Just call the man name. Call the man name, call everybody name. You see me? No fear no DJ. You see me? Sean Starman and no DJ neither, brother. You know what I say? Young man name you call a DJ who you are worried and a family. See? Yeah, call Sean Storm name, man. Call Popcorn, say Popcorn, I follow back a cartel same way. Even, you know, wait. You see me? Like, yo, brother, me not lie. The song, alright. It can bump, you listen to it and think, but me not lie. Masicka still look like him afraid. Call Blood Clot Alkaline name, brother. Call him name. That you have to do, brother. See? Remember, you know, when Cartel do that tune there, you know, if me right, I think him call everybody name. I think that song there I did for Bunty them. I did Bunty. That song they really fun. I think him call a portion of my name, brother. So if you remake the song, brother, see, if you remake the song, you have to make it wickeder and more brutal. See, how you think Cartel become king, brother? Eh? The man never sidestep and I say, oh, alright, that one there, alright, me and him alright. You know, I don't me. Everybody for Blood Clot dead. Kill them all and bomber clot done. Where the fuck do you, Masicka, man? Eh? Come on, bro. Yeah, man, I disappoint you, brother. Yeah, man. See? Yeah, man. Yeah, line them sound cool. See, thing is with Masicka, you know. Masicka know how to put the words them together to make it sound witty and rhyme real nice. But I know that's the point right now. We don't do no song for this jam, for Def Jam. See? You understand me? That is not the point right now. I'll kill if you come through and come kill Blood Clot, boy. And that's the game. See? Yeah. See, you have to kill boy, you know. You can't go on like you want Blood Clot to pretty up things and a nice up things like, yo, you know, Sean Storm, a walk dog and have a Blood Clot show, tell him, yo, listen man, you see how Cartel deal with Blood Clot Bounty back in the days, brother? I saw you have to pre the thing, brother. I see him with you, so. See, you can't have Blood Clot to play with none of them and them, brother. See? You understand me? So, I them things that me a talk about. You can't play with none of the man them. See? This all him son. See? Yeah, me like I line about him father and thing, but this him son, this all him mama and him, you know, make up some lie, brother. The fuck, my nigga? Make up some bumbuckle lie, dog. See? Yeah, man. me no know, brother. The man a play too safe, dog. You know, lie, brother. The man a play the thing too safe. Say, you have to come out of your bumbleclad shell, brother. Say, but like them say, it look like the dog is a good youth, you see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. You look like the dog is one good youth, man. You see me? Me love the clash. Me love where I go on and me love where I go on for the dancehall, brother. You see me? Me love the clash, brother. It's sweet. Yeah. Me don't know why him go do over the song. You could have come up with your own thing, brother. Me don't feel like this just get Cartel more. If you ever choose to reply to Cartel, for say something to about Cartel, say it hard. Cause I know a normal man that in a brother. And to me, I don't feel like him want do nothing, but I know a normal man that for go up against. You see me, that man is a normal brother. That man don't even rhyme, dog. That man don't even have to rhyme for make him song them sound good. You too precise with fucking double rhyming and you understand me? You're too stuck in a one fucking way of DJing, brother. See? Yeah, man, you have to take it different, you know, brother. See, you try to change it up a little bit, but it's still just, you understand me? You hear your family thing sound and it just to the point, brother. See? Yeah, man, wrong, grimy, man. You're the blood clot there, Masicka, man. Come on, bro. What the fuck, dog? You see me? Yeah, man, I can go on better than that. Shout all a video to, brother. Shout back a video, brother. You play with the thing, brother. See? You're not serious about your career, brother. Your career is on the line now in a Masicka. You don't see that? Yo. Your career is on the line, brother. You have to forward, brother. Come deal with the thing, dog. Yeah, man. Back and I'm out. Black.